We're gonna make some sandwiches.
All right.
Like,
A rib
like
sandwich?
you know, that kind of sandwich McTicklebucker's made or something?
Yeah, you know. Yeah, that place. Slasher, if you had a sandwich like that named after you, I think it would be called McLovin.
Yeah, well,
You know,
yeah,
that's what I've heard.
It sounds good to me.
Trim them down, make them even. Love it.
Right in the middle.
All right. What's your you know, temperature for this recipe typically?
Depends on how much time you got. Yeah, you want to go 225? That's fine. It's going to take you a while.
Yep.
But you can also go 250, 275. That's fine.
All right.
Some people cruise at 300.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't go any higher than 300, that's for sure.
Pitmaster privilege.
250, 275 is perfect. Got these. Oh, we got these ribs going.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Little quart.
So we're doing your version of slaw for this, right?
Yeah. We're gonna core the apple. I'm gonna pass it off to the guy next to you.
You think we should do these in like little strips, or you want to do chunks?
You can do both. You know, mix it up. As long as it's not too big. You just want it to fall out. Maybe we'll hold off. We'll wait. That might be enough. Yeah, you can chop them right up that way. There we go. Yeah.
That's good.
That looks
Yeah.
good. Oh yeah. Here we go.
Where's that mayo?
All right. Well, apple snack.
Is that pit snack?
Yeah, gotta have a pit snack.
Yeah.
Mayo there.
We'll go put this in the fridge.
All right. Excellent.
Let's wrap these babies.
Just wrap these babies up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back 5, 6 years ago. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Jacob,
Yes.
where'd you get your name, Joseph Q?
Joseph Q. Joseph Q. Well, Joseph itself, it's my middle name, and that's kind of a name that was handed down from generation to generation. It's my grandfather's name. It's my kids' middle names now as well.
It's cool.
So yeah, it's just kind of a
Biblical.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
a family name for us. So of course Q naturally, but the spelling in the French way, Q-U-E,
Yep.
French Canadian.
Yeah. Awesome, man. Awesome. Wait. So biblical, like Slasher's a biblical name, right?
Oh yeah, that's real biblical.
Yeah. Yep. I don't even want to know where you got your nickname. Everybody wants to know about your nickname, but we can't. There's certain things we can't
It had
disclose.
something to do with a knife one time. But that's about it. Just seems apropos, I guess.
Okay, let's check these.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha.
That meat's pretty freaking tender.
Good. Oh yeah.
I say it's time to eat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Look at that. That smoke
Is
ring.
it
You gonna
tender enough?
You gonna taste test it?
Let's see. Oh, nice and spongy there.
He'll tell us if it's good to go.
All right.
Right?
That's quality control.
That's pretty darn good.
All right.
Look at that.
Real hot. Yeah, well.
Got you a cold beer.
Good man. Thank you.
Those aren't too hot now. You won't need to mix in. No. The raccoons and the coyotes, man.
Yeah,
We'll be stopping by tonight for
that's
sure.
right. That's right. Yeah, that's the Brewers. This is Brewers Blend.
All right.
Brewers Blend.
Brewer's blend.
Yeah. Yeah. Pulled pork rib sandwich.
Whole pork rib sandwich.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah.
That's an award winner right there, number one.
Yeah.
And,
All right. Now we get those buns toasted.
All right.
Some of this sourdough bread.
All right.
There you go. Maybe throw 2 more on there. We're getting the sourdough out here. Sourdough. Yep. Remember now, these doesn't look brown, but they are hard and they are crusty.
That's what she said.
And we're going to take some of this coleslaw, and we're going to take the pork. We're going to put it together right on the sandwich.
Yeah, let me put the pork to it.
We're going to put the pork right on there. Yep. A little bit on top of there. Got all that barbecue sauce in there.
All right.
And then we're going to Press it right down good. Got all flavors inside of there. Yeah. Yeah.
Open that puppy up.
There you go. Look at that. Huh?
All right, there we go.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna eat that. These are all like toasted.
All right, let's get
If
them
we
off.
if we wanted to get brown on them, then they'd be burnt.
Pork rib sandwich with slaw.
Whoa. All right.
Tell me what to do and I'll do it.
All right, come on. So, here we go. This is what we're gonna do. Some rib for sure.
You want some ribs? All right, we're gonna put that right on here.
Yep. Oh yeah.
J-Dog
special.
This is J-Dog special.
Can you slop on a little bit more sauce right here?
Oh yeah.
No, right here. This
Oh,
right
yeah.
there. Yeah.
sauce on for
Yeah.
Sure.
Pour, come on.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, I don't care. I love it.
All
And
right.
then I'm gonna do some pickles and some
Yep, we got some-
raw onion on there.
There you go. Raw onion, pickles. What do you want first, the onion or the pickles?
Chef's choice.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah, I
Yes, yes.
stick
in the base.
Yeah, right.
There you
That's
go.
why you do extra sauce. 'Cause
Look
it
at that,
sticks on
huh?
there. Oh
Look at
man,
that.
it's a famous recipe that
Anything
I
else?
found a place I used. I think that's good.
Okay.
Let's smash it.
Oh, so yeah, there we go. Oh man.
If you have two ribs, you got to cross them with the apple. Skull and crossbone them.
All right. This is the part where we're going to eat in front of you.
Ooh.
You know how that goes.
Yeah.
All right, do you mind if I reach?
Oh, here you go. Yeah, here you go.
Taking a whole one, or you want half?
Oh, Gordon, could you cut that one in half right there for me? Yeah.
That's it.
All right.
Tell you what.
That's it.
Warden just got back from actually an actual call, man, so
That's
it wasn't
right.
a good one. So he needs some barbecue love right here to kind of help him
So we're
out.
talking pulled pork spare ribs
Pulled
sandwich.
spare ribs,
Man.
sandwich, coleslaw, apples, pickles,
Yeah.
onions. Good.
All right.
Look at that.
Oh, look.
All over my face.
Oh, so good. Oh, that apple comes right through.
Well, good. Apple's important.
Apple, onion.
Oh, so good. Perfect.
Far better than a pulled pork sandwich.
Yep.
Oh, and the heat. Oh,
And an empty bone.
Heat ain't this street. So remember this. The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.
oh yeah. Yeah.
We've heard that before. I've seen that stuff.